Shraddheya Santavrinda, dignitaries on the dais as well as our audience, my brothers and sisters. Bhagavad Gita tells us, for any endeavor to be successful, we have to pay attention carefully to 5 aspects of any endeavor. Adhishthanam, तथा कर्ता, करणं च पृथक् विधम्, विविधाश्च पृथक् चेष्टा, दैवं चैवात्र पंचम. Daiva is luck. We cannot do anything about it. Nobody can do anything about that. Luck follows the Purushartha. Luck follows your efforts. And therefore other 4 aspects are to be dealt with perfectly. The first thing is Adhisthana. What is the basic thought? What are the values? And keeping those in mind, what goal you have decided to achieve? That should never be forgotten. About that, quite elaborately, every speaker before me has spoken. So I need not elaborate on that aspect. Our values, which are universal values, presently called by the world as Hindu values. Those are the values which will lead into welfare of everything and everybody. Individual, society, human society, the environment, the nature which we live in, and these 3 together will prosper together, progress together, and eventually reach the realization of absolute truth, that is Parameshwar. And to impart this goal, to provide it as a frame of reference from time to time for the world, is the duty of Hindu society and Hindu nation. Swamiji said that every nation has a duty to fulfill. When need for that thing arises, the nation also rises. It does its work if that duty is fulfilled. Then after that, the nation subsides. This duty of providing this dharma to human beings is a duty which must be performed till the world exists. And therefore Hindu society also exists permanently till the world exists. All the spiritual wisdom, spiritual truths, it never lacked in our society. In all points of time, in all conditions of our society, we always had spiritual masters. We even have today. And common people, they are not scholars, they cannot elaborate, but they know. They know. It is common experience in Bharat. If you go by cycle rickshaw to some place, and you have to then pay the rickshaw driver. You pay him and he doesn't have change. So either you have to give him full 1 rupee note or you have to take back from him 8 annas. He will prefer that you keep your note. And he will say, चवन्नी की तो बात है, 4 आने की बात है, पैसा मोड़नी भी नहीं खा. He is a rickshawala, he is not a learned person, he doesn't know spirituality, but he knows that money is not everything. This awareness of the knowledge, in his own terms, every individual in our society has. Then what went wrong? Why are we suffering for 1,000 years? We had everything. But we forgot to practice it. Every soul is Brahman, every Atman is Paramatma, and it is omnipresent. And at the same time, we told our society, you should not cross the seas, it is a papa. So we forgot to practice. And because we forgot these things, we also forgot to work together. I think even today, the Hindu society is the society which has largest number of meritorious persons in every aspect of life today. But they never come together, they never stay together, they never work together. Coming together of Hindus is itself a difficult thing. In the initial days of our work, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh work, when our Karyakartas used to go and talk to Hindu eminences about organizing the Hindus, they used to say, शेर कभी झुंड में नहीं चलता. But even that lion, that Royal Bengal tiger, king of his own jungle, if he is alone, wild dogs together can invade and destroy. We forgot that. Yes, every one of us wants to make the world better. Sincere. We don't have any aspiration of dominance. You see, in our historical period, we had influences from Mexico to Siberia. Hindu empires were there. Those influences are still visible. And strangely, those influences are cherished by the local population. That never happens. No foreign influence is cherished by local people anywhere. But wherever we went, our memories are a matter of delight for the local people. Why that? Because this influence, our empires, anything, it was not a result of any conquest. It was not a result of colonization. It was not a result of acculturation. It was not a result of our supremacist period. These things we don't aspire for at all. We went with that oneness in our heart, and we gave our best, and we evoked everywhere best from the local places. So, we have that capacity. But for that, we have to work together. And therefore, this theme of today's 4th World Hindu Congress is very pertinent. It has come on the very opportune moment. Now, the situation all around is a mixed situation, but definitely I can say we have stopped our descent and now we are contemplating how to ascend. We are not a defeated society, we are not an enslaved society, we are not a downtrodden nation. Now, what our people cry for Hinduism? People are studying Vedas. People are studying Buddha. people are now in dire need of our ancient wisdom, which is at the same time a contemporary wisdom. The other day when I was speaking, one in the audience, he told me, you are over-idealistic and your thoughts seem to be anti-modern. I told him, ideals is not a crime. You have to dream. If you stop dreaming, you cannot do anything. So over-idealism, over-optimism is always a quality, not a handicap. And secondly, you call me anti-modern, I call myself pro-future. Because at the same time, we are ancient as well as we are post-modern. What humanity will have to think 20 years after, we are thinking today. And we know this. So, we have to come together, stay together and work. And the theme describes exactly that. The shloka is from Mahabharata. The situation of Pandavas at that time is just like the situation of Hindu society in modern India. And Bhima is very impatient. We must do something. We have to do it. Yudhishthira says, oh, stay quiet. Why? Please think. Then tells, you see, Sumantrite, Suvikrante, Sukrute, Suvicharite. When you do all the things with these four attributes, then the fifth factor, luck, that start making pradakshanas, it automatically becomes ego. So, that karana, that is methodology, karya paddhati, it is important. And it is different in every field. It is different in every country. It is different in every time. But the values are the same. We have to bear in these minds those values. And these are the values. In another episode of Valmiki Ramayana, when Hanumanji crossed the seas and reached Lanka, and he performed many difficult tasks during this travel, surpassed many difficulties. So, it is narrated in Valmiki Ramayana, Deva, Yaksha, Gandharva, Apsaras, the ocean himself, ocean god, Samudra, they were delighted and they started praising Hanuman, saying,